welcome back again. I'm going to do unboxing on this Gucci here. I got it last night and I will do quick unboxing because I really need to go. So let's see what's inside. Okay, let's just open it. I got it from, as per usual, my personal shopper. And I don't know why I get this many booklet or care booklet. I got 4 of them. Of course, you know, it's a pair of footwear. Okay. It took me like a year to finally get this Gucci sneakers. Okay, I will see on my phone what is the exact name for this. They are called Gucci Ace Studded Leather Sneaker. I'm sorry guys, I didn't remember the name. So this is the close-up. It has pearls and stud on the side, spikes on the back. This part here just the Gucci signature, I don't know what it's called, ribbon canvas in their signature color, green and red. So looks like that, and this is the bottom. I'm sorry guys, it's very bright. I will adjust the lighting a bit. Here is the bottom, looks like that. It's very cool. I'm not a sneakers person. That's why it took me very long to finally get these sneakers, and I never have any sneakers from Gucci before, so I'm quite nervous. This is the other sneaker, and the back side is in red with the cool spike. As you can see, I love the spike and the pearls. This is the back. I went half a size down. The size always confusing for me. Almost all the people told me to go a full size down, but I am very nervous about that. I have wide feet, so finally I decide on half a size down, and I already unboxed them last night and tried them on the first time I opened the box, and they fit perfectly on my wide feet. So for me, this particular sneakers, I went half a size down. The inside is also white and in leather also, and that is the Gucci, what is that, I think Gucci made in Italy embossed here. It's white, so it's hard to see. All in leather inside. It's very soft and nice. And on the back here, just a bunch of number. I think the serial number or authenticity number, something like that. I'm not so sure. I'm sorry guys. And this one too. The inside looks like that. All in white. And also a bunch of number here. Okay, so honestly I rarely wear sneakers, but lately I start to wear my Adidas sneaker that I got from my kids, and I love them. They are comfortable, and finally I decide to take the plunge on these sneakers. They are very pricey, which also make me nervous, but anyway, I love them. How cool they are. I just fall in love with this particular one, the spikes and the pearls. So the way I wear these sneakers, of course I will be wearing my socks, socks like this, so they will be invisible from the outside, but they give me comfort. If I have like sweaty feet, sounds gross, I know, and something like this, I don't know what it's called, what kind of socks, I don't know, I'm sure you know. I got them in nude color, black color. I usually wear this kind of socks with my espadrilles. They are pretty heavy, not as light as my Adidas. So let's see if they are comfortable. Okay guys, I think that's all for my unboxing today. Thank you for your time and see you again soon. Bye guys.
Here we are,